Hello, everyone. What is bruxism? Bruxism is the habit of clenching and grinding one's teeth consciously or unconsciously during the day or while sleeping at night. As a result, serious wear, breakage, and damage can be observed in our teeth. Additionally, another effect of bruxism is observed in our jaw joint. Sometimes we can feel clicks when closing our mouth, discomfort in our jaw, and pain. The biggest factors of bruxism are stress and fatigue. You can ask me any questions you want through your social media accounts below. Looking forward to seeing you.